Hi, John. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
And so I believe you had a surgery in the office, what is called as a natural facelift, and you were eager to have it done to look younger.
Yes.
And so tell me, John, how this surgery has impacted your life. What changes have you noticed, and how do you feel about all of this?
Well, as we get older and we look in the mirror, we don't like what we see. And I was at that stage in my life, and we spend a tremendous amount of money on our loved ones and other people taking care of them, and we seldom take care of ourselves. And so I decided that I would invest in this, and knowing that you are the best and the work that you've done for the family in the past, and invested in it. It has changed my whole outlook on life. I feel younger. I look in the mirror and I really like what I see. Of course, there's things that we would all probably change, but the Lord didn't make it that way. So, we kind of live with what He gave us. But it's made a tremendous difference in my life. The way I feel, the way I look, the way I'm perceived by other people. And I would highly recommend it for anyone that doesn't like the way they look. I'm like a lot of people. There's jillions of advertising on television. Buy this product and put it on, and all the wrinkles will go away, or do this, do that. And like most, I had tried some of those things with, temporary limited results. But when I had this procedure done, it was really fairly unpainful, and it went very smooth, and I could just slowly, as the days went on, start to notice the difference in the way I looked, in the way I felt, and it has given me more emphasis to exercise and lose weight, and I just feel great, and I sure don't feel my age.
That's fantastic. So, John, one question always comes to people's mind is, it's a big surgery, I'm going to put to sleep, but you had your surgery in the office with local anesthetic and with some oral sedation. Was the surgery comfortable, or what would you tell your patients, because they're always concerned, oh my gosh, this will be very painful, a lot of stuff, and what do you think?
There was no pain involved with it at all. It was done in the office, which I really love. And although you were under sedation, you were, conscious while it went on, and so I would highly recommend that type of procedure. And there was no worry about anesthetic, from being underneath and everything. So, boy, it would be highly recommended for anybody that doesn't like the way they look.
So one final question.
Okay.
So now you had your facelift done, a natural facelift. Do any of your friends think that you had a natural facelift done, or will they just walk past you and say, what's going on? How? So tell me what your friends think.
They never even questioned that I had a facelift. They'd look at me and say, boy, your skin really looks good, or boy, you're looking young, or you look like you're feeling good. But no, nobody has even brought the question up. I have told 2 or 3 close friends that I had it done, and in fact, I told one in Tulsa earlier this week that I hadn't seen in a long time, and I told him I'd had it done, and he's my same age, and he thought, oh Lord, we got to get together. I want to see what the difference is. So yeah, it's very natural, and people just look at you and think, well, you look young. Boy, your skin looks good. But nobody has asked that question. Did you have a facelift or anything like that?
Well, thank you very much for the interview, and appreciate it very much. And I'm so happy that you got a fantastic result, and you're so happy.
Oh yeah.
Deep inside from the surgery.
It's a life-changing event that I would highly recommend people investing in themselves and doing that, because like to look the best you can every day.
Thank you.
It's kind of like years ago, there were signs on the fences in Texas.
Yes.
And it said, look sharp, feel sharp, be sharp.
Yes.
And it was an advertising for a product, of course. But That's very true. Look sharp, feel sharp, and be sharp.
Well, that's a fantastic slogan for us. Thank you very much, John.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Bye-bye.